Hey food waste warriors, we are in our summer eating season. Yum! Arguably probably the best season to be eating foods. We've got our berries, our melons, mangoes, beetroots, leafy greens, tomatoes, zucchinis. The list goes on and on. If you haven't signed up to our Food Smart program, do so. And we're going to send you a list of seasonal delicious vegetables that you can eat right now. Find them locally and help reduce your food miles and your food waste at the same time. Double points. Today I'm going to talk about making a simple syrup. Now this recipe is so easy and it's a great way of using up the last little bits. The last little bits of your mango seeds and your mango skins, your melon skins, watermelon, rock melon, dew melon, whatever you've got. And those berries that have gone a bit, you know? A simple syrup is fantastic. You can put it in cakes, you can make ice blocks from it, you can use it in cocktails, anything really, delicious. And it's as easy as taking your waste today, my mango skins and my mango seed, and adding a sugar. I'm gonna put in some honey, but you can add whatever sugar that you have in the cupboard. You need to put those in a pot with some nice filtered water, let it boil for about 15 minutes, and then you're left with this delicious syrup. Store it in the fridge in a nice airtight container and it'll last a couple of weeks. Enjoy.